Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Today, I'm just installing a wig that I made for my client. She's already braided. She got braided previously and her braids are still nice. I'm just gonna put wig cap on her, a new wig cap, and install the wig. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I made this wig off camera, and it was super hard finding this brown color. She had to have brown. And it took me forever to find the hair. All I'm doing right now is flat ironing the hair. I put the heat protectant on it, and I believe it's Proclaim heat protectant. I love this heat protectant. You guys, this hair feels so good. Okay, you guys, I finished flat ironing off camera. I forgot to come back. Right now, all I'm getting ready to do is press the part area and the edges to make it more sleek and flat. You guys, when I say this hair is excellent, it is excellent hair. Just put some chi on my hands. What is it? Chi Silk Infusion. Look at that girl. Look, you guys, look at that hair. Look at that hair. Done with that one. Okay, I just finished styling the other wig, and this is a previous wig that I made for you. You guys probably seen the video. I shampooed it, conditioned it. And I was like, I do not feel like blow drying. And I found this little thingy that I bought a long time ago and never used. I'm always buying stuff and never using it. I said, let me see if this works. And I had to take some of the arm work out of blow drying and all that. So I put the thing on, you guys. And when I say, baby, when I say, yeah, this thing saved me so much time. And you know what? Remember I just said I'd be buying so much stuff? Okay, this dryer right here is brand new. I think I bought like 3 blow dryers to have backup blow dryers because, you know, stuff be going out on you. But this is my favorite blow dryer ever. So look at that. But you put the blow dryer spout in the thing. Put the thing over the blow dryer spout. And it's literally drying the wig. Okay, drying the wig. I had very little blow drying to do. Very little. Okay, you guys, this thing is working real good. I just love it. And this is a braided wig that I bought for me, but I know one of my customers are going to want it, so I'll probably sell it. I think I might sell it. I don't know. Can't wait to see if this thing really works. And you guys, it did. The scalp, the roots were really dry, and all I had to do is dry a little bit at the bottom. Instead of blow drying the whole wig, man, it made my life so much easier. And like I said, this wig that I'm blow drying, okay, I finished blow drying the wig, and this hair was also, I love this hair too, you guys. Super soft. And this is a previous wig that I made that she wore about a month ago. And then she got a black wig installed, and she left this one here for me to shampoo, condition, and flat iron. So when she comes, she usually buys the wigs and then take the previous wig that she left for me to shampoo and condition. She says this is her favorite. I think the black one is my favorite, but I'm liking the brown. I just like them all, you guys. So I was just flat ironing the hair, and I'm just going over the roots with the pressing comb to make sure it's super sleek. Just put some Silk Infusion on it. And I was tripping because it looked like the wig was cut. And I had the part on the canvas head like it was a right hand part, but it wasn't. It was a left hand part. Okay, you guys, it is Saturday morning now. I figured out what was wrong with the burgundy wig. She likes her right part, but the part was on the left side. So when I tilted the wig to the left side for the part, it wasn't right. So I switched the hair over and made it the right part for her, as you guys can see. And this is the wig that she's about to get installed. Let me take her down right now, and I'll cut it when it's on her head. And I'm just overachieved today. Boxed up the wig that I have to send out to Northern California. And that's it. She's a little bit late coming for her 8 o'clock appointment because she stopped to get a Starbucks. Okay? So that's okay. I'll be back when I am installing the wig on her. Okay, right now, you guys, I didn't have to braid her because her braids were still secure and looking nice. I'm just putting that wig cap on so that I can melt that wig into that lace into it, you guys. And that's all I'm doing right now. That is all that I'm doing right now. So keep watching, keep watching. And as you guys can see, she has a very low hairline. So I'm basically, what is the word for it? Why did I just have a brain fart? I'm basically securing the wig and putting the freeze spray right where her hairline is, so that when I get ready to install the wig, I can still see where her hairline is and pull the wig where it needs to be positioned. And right now I'm just sewing the wig cap to her braid, because the problem she had one time is it wasn't sewed to the braid and it just flipped all the way back up. So I just sewed it down so that we won't have that problem. Now I just put the wig on to see. I'm trying to position it. And you guys, this client right here, she does double shifts. So she comes in after working 8 hours at one job and 8 hours at another one. And she'd be so sleepy, and I'd be feeling bad for her, but her head always bops down when I got the scissors near her face or when I'm getting ready to cut her hair. But I understand how she'd be tired. I understand, you guys. Right now I'm just trying to make sure I'm doing the clip in the back so that it'll be tight enough. Because with the black wig, I did it too tight, but she said it was fine. And then she tried to cut the adjustable strap, and she cut the wig and messed it up. So yeah, that's that. Okay, what I'm doing right here, I already put one layer of glue on, but and now I'm putting another layer of glue on. And as you can see, she's falling asleep. You see where I got all that glue down when her head went down? Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm trying so hard to get done really, really quick for her because I know she's tired. And I just pulled the lace in front of the glue, pressing the comb into it, pulling out the little baby hairs. And I never do the baby hairs in advance because sometimes she wants them and sometimes she doesn't. So that's what I'm doing now. Put a little freeze spray on there. Put the elastic band on it so that it can melt in there. And I'm pressing the roots. I am pressing the roots. Okay guys, I went on and cut the hair off camera. And now I'm just gonna give her a little bump because it was like, this hair is like, I think 180 density. And it's kind of thick and it didn't look right just sitting there blunt like that. And even with it, I still think it's a little bit thick. So I might go in if the customer wants and take some of the tracks out. Took the elastic band off. About to do a little baby hairs. Let me zoom in for you guys. Hold up, hold up. Okay, here we go. Today I had issues with doing her baby hairs today. I don't know why. I just couldn't get it together. But you guys, look at this color, brown. It is so pretty. And I told her that with this wig, you know, people have the little highlights in the front, just 2 little strips on each side. Well, 1 strip on each side of like a blondish color. That would be pretty for this wig. Or even piano keys would be pretty. But that color is like awesome, you guys. It is awesome. The hair is excellent. And I'm still struggling with these baby hairs, okay? I eventually got it together, though. I eventually got it together. Okay, I didn't give you guys a description before. The hair was 20, 18, and 16-inch wefts and a T-part lace closure. That's a view of the front. The back, where I said it was a little bit thick, I got to thin that out. The right side and then the left side. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, you guys. I really appreciate you guys. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video, you guys. And as usual, you know I gotta say it, right? Y'all know I gotta say it. And as usual, stay blessed.